Um, Kirkland BMX, and this is Brandon. This is my bike check. I got the United Mothership frame, the V2 version, and it's like a mixed of black purple, nice gloss color. It's hard to see right now, but there we go. Okay, start off in the front. We got the Cult leader bars, 8 and 2.5, and they're 28 wide. I'm into them. They're nice. My grips I really like because there's extra long necks, and if say you fail on a bar spin, you hit here and you got a lot more clearance to save yourself or hurt your fingers or whatnot. Stem is a Cult top load, gives you that nice extra little bit of a rise there, and yeah, I like it. Looks nice. And my headset cap is just a cap. It's a We the People, King Creek. And, yeah. My forks are the FitShift 2s. They're tapered. The version 2 of the first ones. Nice, black. Try to keep my bikes pretty, simple. Nice, though. And, my front wheel's a Shadow Stun Rim with a Raptor. It's a complete wheel off Dan's, and, yeah, it's alright. Held up. My tire is a Fly Reuben, and it held up for about a year or so now, and 2.25. It's nice. My pegs is Salt peg. You know what? It slides, so that's good. Bar ends, kind of don't have any. It's an ODI. Yeah. So we'll go down here. The chain wheel, 25-2 sprocket premium, KAMC full link chain, and does its thing. You know, I break a half links here and there, but cheap chains will do. I got the, I think it's 17mm clad tibia cranks, and yeah, they're really strong. I trust them and had them for over a year or so. And my pedals are the Fly Reubens, and you know, they're grippy. Sealed bearings, it's nice. My bottom bracket is 1664, 22mm BB. Or no, 19 I think, but it's nice. Back wheel, Shadow Stun. Again, with a Raptor hub, right hand drive, 9.2 driver. And you know, it's sweet. I like it. Pretty dialed, solid wheels. And I got the Momentum 2.2 tire with a Salt peg in the back. And my seat is a Kink Sean Sexton seat with a Alienation stump post. That's my bike, and hope you enjoy. Here's the hub sound if you want to see. That's my bike.